So if you want to know how I did it with this one specific app, stay tuned for this video. What's up, my master queens? Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, tagging in, what's up? It's your girl Queen Gregory, and I am back with another video for y'all today. I'm trying to keep it coming, and I hope my jacket, ain't doing too much. I'm trying to lie. Okay, all right, let me stop. Okay, so I'm giving y'all all throwbacks today. I don't know what's up with my energy. Make sure that y'all are subscribed if this is your first time tuning in. I make videos about dating, personal development, investing, and fashion, because look at me. You look at me. Okay. I'm on this journey to create content for my queens that's going to help you become a new version of yourself in all aspects of your life. So make sure you go ahead and tap in and follow me on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a good one, y'all. It's going to be about how to save up 10K expeditiously. So now I saved my first 10K back in 2021. It took me at least a year, and I did it with this one specific app. Now let's get into it. I first learned about this app through my cousin's fiance in 2019, I believe. I remember only having $100 on this app, and I'm gonna insert a screenshot, and I was like, man, this is not worth a damn. Like, I'm about to take my $100 out of here. So then I had a change of heart. Once he told me how to set up the account, that it was a certain formula, I just had to figure out the formula first. And when I figured out the formula, I started to see the power of compound interest. So let me explain to you. According to this article right here written by CNBC, it shows that 59% of Black women are not invested in the stock market or any assets at all. We have to do better. Come on, my queens. We gotta do better. What y'all doing? What is y'all doing? We gotta catch up. You feel me? Y'all check that article out. It's gonna be in the description as well. I'm gonna make it real easy and simple for y'all to get started to making your first 10K, to saving your first 10K. You might want to buy that house, that car. I'm gonna make it easy for you.
For a very low price of $59.99.
So the app I'm talking about today is Acorns. Acorns is basically the app for dummies. I said it, just kidding. But you can get your feet wet in the stock market with this app without taking a major loss or risking it all, y'all. So it allows you to automatically invest your spare change from your debit card and your credit card purchases. When buying that Chick-fil-A meal, it'll round up and save that change for you, you know what I'm saying? Get that little pea nugget, it's gonna round up that change, you feel me? Make sure that you set it up just like this. And you gotta make at least, I'll say $3,000 to $4,000 a month to reach this. Now, I'm just be real with y'all. And I'm not saying that it's impossible. As long as you can tailor the amount of income you make in a month, then just save what you can. Here's a screenshot of my portfolio, how it's set up. I'm going to insert it here. So when you set up your portfolio, you want to have it on aggressive. Now, it will now invest in major companies like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Google, and others. And the list is going to be up here too, so y'all can see all of the things that it's going to invest your money in. Now, you want to set up your reoccurring amount at least $100 a week and dump all the extra money into the app when you can. I'm talking about extra 50, 200, 35, 47, 55, 1,000, whatever you got, or any other amounts you can or may receive from extra income. Now, this is the key. This is the key now, because any extra income you get from them sugar daddies, whatever, go ahead and invest that. Once you repeatedly did this throughout the year by cutting back on housing, by getting a roommate or downsizing, eating less food out and cooking in, transportation, just finding a ride to get you from point A to point B, and not, paying a $600 car note, but buying a car or getting something under like $350 or something there, you will save a little extra bread. All that extra bread you making, dump it into Acorns, and you will be on your way to 10K expeditiously. I hope this video was of value today, and I only have one thing to say. If you do not have this app, then what are you waiting on? Download it now. What are you doing with your time? Download this app. There will be a link in the description box below so you can download it. Tell your grandma, brother, sister, cousin, mother, brother, son, daughter, I don't care. Y'all already know what's up. Let me know down in the comments how long it took for you to save your first 10K, or if you excited If you excited to be on this 10K challenge journey, comment I'm on the way to 10K. Or say I'm on the way to the 10K queen. All right. Your girl, Queen Gregory, I am checking out. And thank you for tuning in to my video today. Peace.